With those who Waterloo, might as well bow. If I'm what to do, whoever you are, shit on level 2. You wanna get, just wanna style.
What's going on, guys? So today we have the 700 V2 creams dropping. This is a relatively decent colorway, and the reason this shoe is being hyped up a little bit more is because the 700 V2 particular version hasn't been released since 2019, where they had the Geos, I believe, the Inertias, the Hospital Blues. I think there's quite a few of different versions of the 700 V2s that were dropped back in 2019. So it's been a while since they dropped one, and we had the 700 V1 dropping this earlier this year with the Suns. So this is a throwback for sure, and also at the same time, being a light colorway, it's going to do well with the small sizings because girls love these shoes and they're really comfortable to wear. So, and I think all sizes should do well, so we're gonna go as hard as we could on it. We were having some troubles with Dashe because apparently Dashe's update server was getting rate limited, so people were trying to spam getting into Dashe and it just wasn't working. But they had a fix. We got it open. We got Wrath. I'm gonna run it on Ganesh as well. We're gonna run it on Polarius, and let's see how we do. Hopefully we can do well and replicate our results from last weekend, where the 450 Cloud Whites, where we did decently well. And let's see how we do. Let's see if we can start task now. Okay, Wrath is passing. There you go, let's go, first one. Dude, ton of fast flash, I gotta say. Submitting info, submitting order, come on. Stare at this until it becomes successful. There you go, 2, let's go. Ganesh, pass flash, pass flash. Wrath. Another checkout, let's go, 10.5. Ganesh. Fast Q. Dude, Wrath and Ganesh are pathing like crazy though. That's insane. I have so many carded on Ganesh. I just don't have checkouts yet. Let's take a look. So, see, 4 carded. Nothing carded here, nothing carded here, nothing carded here. 4 carded on here. Oh, let's go, another one. 4. Can I get a success on Ganesh? Possibly. Oh, they failed checkouts. Yep, another one on Wrath. 5.5. So I got 5 so far. 1 decline. There you go. Ganesh. Oh, let's go. We got 1 Ganesh. Yes. We got 1 on Ganesh. 5 on Wrath right now. Let's go. Ganesh got me another one. Sheesh. Woo. Let's go, another one on Wrath. Oh, let's go, we got one on Dashe. Woo! Let's go. Dashe got us one. Finally, I started working on Dashe. Let's go, Wrath got me another one. 10 so far, we got 10 so far. Let's keep going. Let's go, another one. Yes, another one on Wrath. Okay, so I think it's sold out. Just got, it says YS sold out. Yeah, okay. So I think, let me see, let me tally up. So we got 12 total. We got 12 total. We got 2 on Ganesh, 2 on Dashe, and 8 on Wrath. So there it is. I think we did okay. This, obviously we would have wanted more, but we can't complain comparing to how everything is. So we're okay with the fact that we got 12. I think that's a pretty good results. If any day, I think I'm happy with the results. So yeah, it's been a tough week. I wasn't able to run Air Force Ones restock yesterday, and just week has been tough. Supreme, the Nike collaboration, I got a few hoodies. Don't know how profitable they will be, but we'll see. And then yeah, and then the dunk day, I was able to cop a orange pearl, so I can't complain. At the end of the day, whatever I can cop, I can sell, I'm happy with the result. So hopefully you guys see the power of Wrath and how fast it passes Splash and how fast it can check out for you. I think Wrath is on par to be one of the best easy supply bots right now. And also it does so well on foot size and Shopify. It's truly an AIO, and I think it's a really great bot. So hopefully you guys can see that. And Dashe worked for me. Finally, I got 2 checkouts, and Ganesh surprisingly worked for me as well. I got 2 checkouts there. So at the end of the day, everything worked out great. So now let's move on to the unboxings and show you guys some of the shoes that we got. Get ready. Hey guys, alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys a few of the shoes that came in the past few weeks. I don't really want to move all the shoes just because still kind of recovering and I can't really lift heavy things, but we want to show each of the things that came in. So first of all, we have the Dunk High Syracuse. This dropped earlier last week, I believe. Yeah, earlier last week, and this one is almost identical to the Syracuse Low that dropped last year. I was able to cop one for personal, and yeah, let's take a look. So I have a GS size, and this is it. It's identical to this, but honestly, I feel like the material is actually nicer than the Lows. Feels a little bit softer than the Lows. I think it looks pretty nice. For GS, I think this will do well on resale, so can't complain. I was able to finally cop on TSB using style accounts, so definitely check them out. They do have some really good Nike accounts. All right, next thing we have, this is the Dunk Low Retro Black and White, or a lot of people calling it the Panda Dunks. These are actually really good looking. I was able to cop a few on foot sites and most of them got canceled, but here it is. I think these are actually pretty nice. I can't complain. Like, these look really nice. A very classic black and white colorway. And yeah, I'm glad I was able to cop a few. I think these are pretty nice. I think you can't really go wrong with this colorway. This can go with a lot of different outfits you want to put on. So overall, really clean looking shoe. Next two are the Yeezys that finally released this past few weeks. We're gonna start off with the dumplings. These came in some really small boxes, and I already sold 2 of them on my website, erdenexchange.com. And again, these shoes will go on sale at our website as well, so definitely check them out if you want to cop one for yourself. Take a look. All right. Very fitting to its name, a dumpling. Like, it's exactly like a dumpling. If you see it, it's like a Croc with socks. I guess that's a good way of putting it. It's really comfortable though. It's really soft. The material is just amazing, I gotta tell you. Like, really comfy material. I don't know how Kanye came up with this freaking idea, but these things are actually not bad at all. Like, I think these are really cool looking casual shoes to wear. So if you want to pull it off, I think you can definitely take a look here. I want to eat it with some soy sauce and some hot chili oil. I'm gonna say dumplings. Last thing we have, this is the Yeezy 700 V2 creams. These were actually a little harder to come by, and I was able to cop a few, mostly on Wrath. We got a couple on Ganesh and a couple on Dashe, and really glad these prices are actually doing really well, especially on smaller sizes like a size 5. I got a few on size 6, 7s, so really cool. Let's take a look together. Okay, here it is. So you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the, I hope I got the name right, the Yeezy 700 Statics, if I'm not mistaken. It's almost identical in terms of colorway. I think the only difference is the cream colorway is different than the Statics, and I believe these are reflective as well, reflective 3Ms they have here. So yeah, I think these are, again, they have not released the 700 V2s in a while, and back in 2019 they released a ton of different colorways, and this one actually is doing really well in pricing right now. And if you look at the Statics pricing, the price definitely shot up. And even the ones in 2019 that were actually bricking, like Inertia, Hospital Blue. Those ones, the price is actually holding up as well. And comparing to those, the retail price of this is actually $240 instead of $300. I'm telling you, this is a great piece for resale. So I'm really glad I was able to cop 12, and I might hold on to some of these for a little bit when the price goes up a little bit more. All right, so that's all we have for you guys. Sorry, I can't really do much anymore. I can't really stand up or anything. It's just taking a little bit of time to recover, but within the next week or so, I should be back 100%. And I wasn't able to cop any of the Ash Pearls that dropped this past weekend. One, my internet was down for the whole day on Saturday, so I can't really do anything. I tried it with my hotspots on my phone, but it's just not cooperating. So it is what it is. And secondly, I did not wake up in time for the 7 o'clock drop on foot sites. I can't even do that because I don't have internet, but also I really just want to recover a little bit more. So you won't see the live cop for that, but I think I'll be 100% by the time the foam runners are dropping this upcoming week, and we're gonna go ham on that. Hopefully we can do well, and that's it. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember, if you do like my video, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for us. All right, thank you all so much for your support. We really truly appreciate everything you have done for us, commented for us, supporting us. So thank you all so much again. In the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.